I will not call them, mentors. I will call them as performance managers.
So how this program is going to incorporate all these things across the schedule and the curricula?
So this right now, the time that we are in is the perfect time for answer writing, for preparing from mains point of view, and also you can say a little bit of optional.
Because without revision, they cannot clear UPSC.
So CSAT is something that will be given due time and weightage during this mentorship period.
There will be those moments where they would be requiring someone to cheer them up.
Everybody understands you need a friend, philosopher, guide, a mentor who can handhold you through this exercise.
Result does not come automatically. Result does not come instantly. It is a process when things are done right in a right manner.
Target next year with sure-shotted approach.
Hello dear aspirants. So I hope that by this time you have already appeared for the prelims of 2026, and after completion of many such foundation courses, you might have been get an idea regarding the basics of the UPSC examination, but still certain things might be lacking at your end. And in order to bridge this particular gap of preparation, we have brought the Lakshya Integrated Mentoring Program of 2027, which is going to help you to ace this particular examination. So in order to discuss more about this program, I am joined by the fellow faculty members, Shivi ma'am and Gitika ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hello, Vishal.
So Shivi ma'am, let's start with you. There are many challenges that student might have encountered in this particular year also, and in general also with respect to preparation they encounter. Now, can you highlight certain important challenges that during the preparation student faces?
Yes, Vishal. So, talking about the challenges which the student faces specifically when they have taken the foundation course as well as they have given one attempt in prelims, I feel that because of this whole nature of UPSC examination, which is very long and strenuous, they often feel very lonely. They do not understand where to again start and convert their knowledge into performance. And that is where Lakshya will help them in order to make that structured plan for them,
Right.
wherein they will be able to see what all actionable targets they have to achieve. Because till the time they don't understand from where to start, where should be their revision cycle, their preparation will never be according to the demands of the UPSC. So this is what I feel that the biggest challenge the student has in front of them right after prelims or right after their foundation classes.
Right. Gitika ma'am, let's continue this particular discussion regarding assessing one's level, because there are many instances where we have observed that the student are not aware regarding where right now they are standing with respect to the preparation, and somebody suddenly comes up and says that this is the course that you should join for. So how an aspirant should be assessing himself or herself that right now we are standing over here, and now how we have to go about the further preparation?
Right, Vishal. So till about last year, students had this confidence that if I'm studying my static subjects properly, if I'm undergoing my foundation course, attending my classes, I will be able to solve majority of the questions in the prelim stage. But this year's prelims gave us a surprise, gave us a shock, and it also opened our eyes to the idea that UPSC can challenge you in ways which we have not seen earlier. The key takeaway from this year's UPSC prelims paper was one has to integrate your prelims and mains preparation. And most of the students realized that the way or the manner in which they were preparing in silos for prelims and mains does not work for this exam anymore. We need to integrate the two stages. We need to do the subjects parallelly. Now, coming to self-assessment. Self-assessment is something that it is not possible for an individual to do on his or her own, right? They need to rely either on some tests or they need some mentor or a third person to tell them that this is the level you have to achieve and currently this is where you are. For this, Vision IS integrated Lakshya mentoring program gives us them option to attempt the baseline assessment test that we have, both for prelims as well as mains, to assess their current levels of preparation for both the stages. And after the baseline test is conducted, we also have mentors who will, in a one-to-one counseling sessions, assess the strengths, weaknesses of the candidate. So basically, an in-depth SWOT analysis for the candidate will be done to help him or her understand at the current level of preparation and what needs to be done in order to succeed in this exam.
Right. So as you have talked about the baseline analysis test, that is going to give us a real picture that where the student is presently standing. But then after that particular test, because we are now trying to segregate the students that where they are currently standing. So Shivi ma'am, like after this particular test, once the student will be able to assess themselves that they are standing at this particular juncture and they are this having this particular preparation level. Now, apart from that, how this program is going to incorporate many other factors which students are eventually going to need in order to prepare comprehensively in this examination.
Yeah. So Vishal, I completely agree with Gitika ma'am here that the biggest challenge is the assessment also, right, in this preparation for UPSC. And it is here where Lakshya Integrated Mentoring Program will help the student to let them know beforehand what needs to be done and what needs to be targeted. As I have already mentioned, that the students are not able to see for themselves what is to be done. They have the knowledge, they don't know how to put it in action. And right after the exam, after the classes, they tend to acquire more information. They have this tendency to acquire information. Rather, they should work on a revision strategy, some actionable targets, and that is where again Lakshya Integrated Mentoring Program will help them. Why? Because we are in the age of AI, we are in the age of chat GPT, and Lakshya Integrated Mentoring Program will fill that gap where every student who will be enrolled in this course will be having their personalized assessment through a AI chat box, where they will be able to get the queries to the complex UPSC questions. They will also be able to have their own systemic, strategy coming from that chatbot, right? Which will again help them to understand and streamline their personalized, strategy for this examination. And again, I feel that there is no one-stop solution. There is no one-stop solution in this preparation. Again, the reason being that even the topper has a different strategy. Every year, every topper will have different strategy, and everyone is different. As Gitika ma'am also highlighted, that one will be able to assess and understand one's own SWOT analysis. So everyone's strength and weaknesses is different.
Right.
And this is where these, I will not call them mentors, I will call them as performance managers, because they will be the one who will be held accountable to create that chart or roadmap for the students, which is very, very crucial and necessary given the kind of noise they have on internet and online channels, that they feel so clueless about this preparation.
Right.
So this is where I feel that this program is an excellent solution which can help many aspirants and many students.
So as you have highlighted that there is also going to be a technology driven
Yes,
aspects
yes,
that is
yes.
going to help those who are assessing the preparation, those who are doing the work of the performance managers, that are going to help and aid student across this particular preparation of roughly 15 months. That is the
Yes.
timeline that we are striving for. Apart from that, as you have also highlighted regarding what is going to be the role of the mentor specifically in this program. Now, Gitika ma'am, generally we have also observed that there are certain neglected area also with respect to this preparation. Answer writing is one such thing, because we keep on delaying the answer writing, and we have also observed in the classes that whenever we are asking student to show the assignment answers, they are not showing because they are saying ki, "Okay, we'll cover this topic and later on we'll start doing the answer writing." Along with that, CSAT is also one such issue. Along with that, there are essay writing and many other areas which in silo, if is being prepared by the students, then it will be a burdensome task. So how this program is going to incorporate all these things across the schedule and the curricula of the program?
You rightly pointed out, Vishal, that there are many sections of this exam which are often underrated. CSAT being the biggest hurdle. There are so many students that we have come across after the 26 prelims who are clearing paper 1, GS paper 1 with a decent margin, but are unable to get through because of CSAT. Now, this is something that cannot be taken lightly because it holds as much weightage as GS. If you're not clearing CSAT, there's no point. So CSAT is something that will be given due time and weightage during this mentorship period. Within the next 15 months, right before time, sufficient amount will be given for CSAT strategy, CSAT preparation, identification of weaknesses, whether it is English, whether it is maths, what is the issue, and then accordingly student preparation will be strategized, or you can say customized.
Right.
Similarly, answer writing is something that students, like you said, keep deferring till the last minute. They feel that let me first finish my syllabus. Now, for many of the students who have already done their foundation course, who have attended classes, they are in a good positions to start writing answers. If you think of the UPSC cycle, one gets into the prelims mode of preparation right after December. Okay, so December to May, 5 months, one wants to give dedicatedly to prelims. So this right now, the time that we are in is the perfect time for answer writing, for preparing from mains point of view, and also you can say a little bit of optional. So which is why it is very important that answer writing has been integrated in this program. Regular tests will be conducted. Students will be given a defined syllabus, out of which questions will be, or tests will be conducted both in MCQ format as well as subjective answers. This will ensure that their preparation is holistic, and this will also ensure that they are not out of answer writing practice.
Exactly. So
Here,
there are,
I would like to add one more thing, Vishal. See, the best part of Lakshya Integrated Mentoring Program is that the schedule which is made for the students has this seamless integration of mains, even the elocution sessions are there, which will help them in developing their personality. Because again, right after mains, interview preparation will start.
Right.
So the idea is to make the students sync with the cycle,
right.
so that it helps them to have that kind of feel and vibe of the examination. They're always, relatively assessing themselves. And the best part, which I quite like about this program, is that the students will be having the schedule before anything else. So they know when to prepare what, where they have to draw a line, which subjects can be tackled later on, right? Which subjects are to be given more priority. This revision cycle, which is very bothersome to many students in this preparation, is already given to them, because without revision they cannot clear UPSC, because this is a very strenuous examination which requires constant revision, constant improvement, as well as constant supervision and monitoring.
Exactly. And if we talk about the syllabus, generally there are very high chances that every time student is going to feel that
Yes.
something is pending from my
Yes.
end in order to complete for the
Yes,
examination.
and given the fact the kind of questions are coming,
Right.
the issues are coming from the mains perspective, but they are woven in a very objective, manner in the type of prelims questions which we
Prelims
have
question
seen.
also.
So there is no cross-cutting line between prelims, mains, and interview now.
And
This
that's
is
why
what I
the
think.
student should be comprehensively aware that this is the syllabus of UPSC. UPSC can ask in any of the
Exactly,
stage.
exactly.
Right. So now I want both of your opinion regarding one such thing which is lacking generally with the academic programs, is regarding the psychological understanding, regarding the stress management. Because if we are talking about the preparation, it is already a tedious task, and given that the syllabus, given that the current affairs, the daily updates that the students are requiring from their end, generally the students are facing difficulty in order to go and cope with the entire overwhelming aspects. So first, Gitika ma'am, can you throw some light that how this program is trying to tackle this? And then Shivam, I also want your opinion on this.
Like, so Vishal, like you said, the number of things to do on a daily basis for a student in this preparation phase is too many. You have to read the newspaper, you have to attend classes, you have to finish your optional, you have all the general studies, 10 subjects to cover. So there is so much to do on a daily basis, a student feels confused. And then on top of that, you are under this emotional burden or stress because your career is at stake. This is a high opportunity cost. Most of the students are not working parallelly, so that causes a lot of psychological stress, and it can cause a lot of burden on the student, that am I wasting my life and what am I doing with my time. So it's very important that some sort of professional help is available for the students, and from you can say an institutional point of view. So in this program, Vision IS will provide access to professional help to students. They can reach out to the counselors, they can reach out to the therapists and talk about their fears, their anxiety, that how they are managing their stress levels, which is very, very important, which is usually lacking. Earlier, there was a taboo or stigma, a taboo or stigma associated with reaching out to professional help, but that's no longer the case.
Right.
Everybody understands you need a friend, philosopher, guide, a mentor who can handhold you through this exercise. So I'm very happy about the fact that there is help available apart from your mentor. Apart from your senior, there is a person whom you can reach out for these kind of issues. So that's the beauty of this program.
Right. Shiv?
Vishal, I completely agree with Geetika ma'am here that this examination is not a marathon which everyone is racing against. It is a journey which one is part of, and one has to understand that there will be ups and downs. There will be those moments where they would be requiring someone to cheer them up, that they are doing fine. So here again, the mentor's role is very, very important. There is no denial of the fact that the moment one is preparing for any kind of examination, automatically stress becomes part of it, because the output is seen in the terms of result. But result does not come automatically, result does not come instantly. It is a process when things are done right in a right manner. So this hand holding, which is part of this Lakshya mentoring program, becomes very, very important, because this support is very much needed because of this long strenuous journey.
And also, I would just like to add to this that there are so many students who, for one reason or the other, could not clear or will not clear this year's prelims. This this program is perfect for them, because they have already done their basic studies. So now this is going to sharpen their axe in all ways possible for the next attempt.
Right.
And not just prelims, but prelims, mains and interview. So this is a one-stop solution for your entire preparation for the next year. Even if this year you are missing by a whisker, you know what is the right targeted approach for next year. So this will again pull you up, it will bring more confidence in you, and it will allow you to target next year with sure-shotted approach.
Exactly. So, in nutshell, if we talk about that, there is one thing which is the self-assessment which is going to be provided. There is obviously the evaluation. There is the right kind of mentoring, the support which is needed to the student at each and every step in this particular preparation, that is going to be provided. And lastly, there are certain neglected areas which student keep on delaying, that is also going to be provided. And moreover, the psychological support. So I think a set of comprehensive aspect is going to be provided to the student as a part of this Lakshya integrated mentoring program. So I think it is a worth joining initiative if the student is facing that there is no one to guide the student
Right.
in the last phase of this, because right now you have already done with your basics, and now this is the time perfectly to sharp your X, as ma'am has highlighted. So thank you everyone for joining this
Thank you,
particular
Vishal.
thing. And then I would like to ask a student that first assess yourself, and this is the perfect program in order to help you with respect to this assessment. Thank you.